Review Hub. Brand name, VEVOR. Model, SH-C22. Capacity, 22 liters or 23 quart. Car and home with app. Cooling range, -20 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius or -4 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Voltage, 12 or 24 volts DC, 110 to 240 volts AC. Zone size, 12.8 by 9.6 by 10 inches, or 326 by 244 by 254 millimeters. Outside size, 23.5 by 12.6 by 13 inches, or 597 by 320 by 335 millimeters. Power, 45 watts. Power consumption, 0.2 kilowatt hours per 24 hours. Net weight, 10 kilograms or 22 pounds. Material, ABS+PP. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.